What's up, guys? Figure I'd give you all an update on what's happening with the old wind turbine project. I'm not getting the power output that I was wanting. I think part of that is just because of the fact it's a 12-volt turbine instead of a 24-volt. The other part of it is that the energy has to travel about 100 feet to get to the inverter, so I lose a lot of power on the transfer to the inverter. I mean, hell, it's got to take and run down the tower, get all the way to the tower, then it has to travel all the way up to the house. And well, that's a lot of time that has to, or a lot of space it has to travel to. So I'm going to re-engineer things a little bit. That right there is an inverter. I'm going to actually mount that inverter on the pole, and that'll be pretty cool. I mean, it'd be really nice if the concept panned out like I want, but I won't know until I actually try it. So what's going to happen with this is that the turbine will be on about up here somewhere, and there'll be a short run from the turbine to the inverter, so I'll have 12-15 volts feeding into the inverter in about 1.5 foot run, so I won't suffer any kind of power loss that's even worth talking about. And then the inverter will jump it to 110, and 110 travels a lot better over a distance than 12 to 15. Don't matter if it's 3-phase or what, you know. I mean, 110 travels better than 12 to 15. And then from the inverter, it'll go down the rest of the pole and feed back to the house. We will see. Yeah, also, this inverter has a dump load, which means that when the wind gets too intense and the turbine is generating more power than this inverter can handle, it dumps that power. Well, I'm going to have it dump the power into 4 100-watt light bulbs, and I'm going to mount these light bulbs on the side of the tower up in the air. So when the turbine's overproducing and it's dumping the power, it'll basically just light my post up. Which will look pretty cool, you know. If you look back on some of my older videos, you can see me tinkering with the concept way back when, you know. I mean, and if you watch the videos, you'll kind of get an idea of the effect that'll happen. It was pretty neat, you know. I just never really went any farther with the concept back then. It ought to look pretty nice. Yeah, that right there is the portable tracking assembly. As you can see in my round 2, it ain't got big enough to go anywhere with it yet, but I ain't forgot about it. But with it being spring, I got some fix-it projects. I mean, Big O, once again, if you look back through some of my older videos, you can get a better look at Big O when he was a little bit newer. You know, I got him down on the test stand over here. Let me see, where is he at? I'm probably looking right at him and not seeing him. Yeah, there he is. Oh, come on, pan in there. There he is. Yeah. That's my electric bicycle in the background. I love that thing, man. That's some of the best money I ever spent on that bicycle. Yeah, Big O was cool. He started blinking his little light, blinking his little heart out. Anyways, I'm gonna get Big O up and running. But first I'm gonna take and get a test of proof of concept as far as this. Hopefully it improves my power output. I'm just losing too much power in that run from the turbine to the house. So it should work. Stay tuned. Same bat time, same bat station. Have fun with it, guys. Keep on tinkering. God bless.